Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the stack and securing credentials. This matters because architecture limits features later. Once chosen, create the repository and initialize your environment. Make sure to install the SDK and dependencies now. Next, store API keys in N files or a secrets manager so you don't hardcode credentials. Also add a linter and basic CI to catch early bugs. These small steps save hours. From here, you can scaffold the backend and minimal UI to connect to the model. You'll build the core, a backend that routes user messages to the model and returns responses. First, implement a validated API endpoint with rate limiting and retry logic. This prevents abuse and handles transient faults. Then add streaming or chunked responses for responsive UX and maintain session state or short-term memory to preserve context. Also create prompt templates and safety filters so outputs stay accurate and safe. Once these pieces work, wire them to the front end and test with realistic prompts. You finalize the app by polishing the UX and deploying with reliability in mind. Make sure loading states and clear errors guide users and confirm accessibility and mobile layouts work. Containerize the service, enable auto-scaling, add logging and alerts, and secure endpoints with authentication. Run load and prompt edge tests to find hallucinations or latency spikes. If you hit issues, throttle requests or add simpler fallbacks. Troubleshooting tip: if responses go bad, isolate prompt changes and revert to a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.